Welcome back to Automotive 765. If you love classic cars, rare machines and forgotten legends of the automotive world, then you're at the perfect place. So make sure to subscribe and support the channel because today we're diving into a compact British classic that once ruled the narrow streets of Europe and earned global fame for its simplicity and charm. This is the story of the 1953 Ford Anglia, a car that might look small from the outside but carries a history bigger than its size. The 1953 Ford Anglia belonged to a generation when cars were not built for luxury but for pure practicality. Post-World War II Europe was recovering, fuel economy was everything, and families needed something affordable, reliable and easy to maintain. Ford of Britain stepped forward with the Anglia, and what rolled out of the factory in 1953 was a boxy little hero ready to serve thousands of drivers. Its sharp nose, flat panels, narrow body lines and tall roof gave it a personality that was both cute and purposeful. This was the kind of car you could recognize from far away because of its simplicity. Under the hood, the 1953 Anglia came with a 1.0-liter inline-4 engine. Yes, only 1.0-liter. It produced around 30 horsepower, but don't be fooled by the numbers. Back in the early 50s, this was enough to move a lightweight body with confidence. What made the Anglia special was not speed, but efficiency. People loved it because it didn't drink fuel like big American cars, and it was incredibly easy to repair. Every small-town mechanic knew how to work on an Anglia. Spare parts were cheap, and the engine design was straightforward. This is the reason you'll still find some Anglias running today, even after 70 years. The interior of the 1953 Ford Anglia was beautifully simple. No fancy displays. No complex buttons. Just a basic speedometer, a thin steering wheel, a metal dashboard and enough space for 4 people. It felt like sitting inside a time capsule, a reminder of an era when driving was pure, honest and connected. The seats were upright, visibility was excellent, and the cabin had that vintage charm that modern cars just can't recreate. What made the Anglia iconic was its role in building the post-war economy. It became the first car of many families. Young drivers learned to drive on it. People used it for commuting, deliveries, family trips and everyday chores. It was the working-class hero of its time. Even today, car collectors admire it because it symbolizes the golden age of simple engineering, a time when cars were built with passion, not computers. Another interesting fact is that the Anglia gained popularity outside the UK as well. It made its way into the US, Australia, New Zealand and even Asian markets where people needed a small, affordable car. Its small size made it perfect for tight city streets, and its low running cost made it a dream for budget-conscious drivers. Some enthusiasts even modified the Anglia for drag racing because its lightweight body made it perfect for swaps and custom builds. It's surprising, but this tiny British car still appears at classic car shows and events around the world. Today, the 1953 Ford Anglia is considered a collectible. Restored models are admired for their vintage lines, unique proportions and retro feel. It's not a car that gives you high speed or modern comfort, but it gives you something even more valuable, nostalgia. It connects you with the past. Every sound of the engine, every vibration of the body and every movement of the thin steering wheel tells a story. A story of a time when cars had character and driving had soul. If you ever get a chance to see a 1953 Anglia in person, notice the details. The single-piece grille, the round headlights, the boxy rear end and those tiny wheels. Everything about it feels like an art piece from another world. A world with slower traffic, peaceful roads and honest engineering. For classic car lovers, this is what makes the Anglia timeless. So that was the complete journey of the 1953 Ford Anglia, a small car with a big personality. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share and subscribe to Automotive 765. Your support helps keep these classic legends alive on the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video with another fascinating car story.